everybody, it's Emily and today's video is really exciting. So this is going to kind of be a take on Beetlejuice. It's not classic Beetlejuice, it's kind of like a glam Beetlejuice. But yeah, so this is the look that I created for you guys. I actually did this look about a year ago and I posted a picture on Instagram with a Tim Burton shirt on, which I was wearing during this video. I'm going to show you guys at the end of this video my outfit that I'm wearing and kind of do a fun little lookbook for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So we're going to go ahead and start. And first of all, I already have my foundation and my eyebrows on. I don't have any other face makeup, so I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and this is in the color Fair. This is what I use as like a eyelid primer. Also ignore my eyebrows right now, they're not finished. I've really been loving this. This is like literally a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, and it's so much cheaper, but it literally works the same, if not better. It's so full coverage, and yeah, I just like love it. I've been obsessed with it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it on my eyelids and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Morphe 35B palette, and it looks like this. It's just a really colorful palette. So I'm going to be using these three purple shades here. So this is a transition shade, and then these are going to be like the crease shades. And then I'm going to be using these two top green colors here, probably more of this green here. So I'm going to be doing a purple cut crease, and this is kind of just based on like colors from Beetlejuice. This is not like a authentic Beetlejuice look. This is just kind of my take on Beetlejuice and kind of like a more glam Beetlejuice look. Yeah, and this could be like sort of an everyday, like you can do this any day. It doesn't have to be Halloween. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and first off take this purple shade here. So this is gonna be our transition shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that onto my eyelid. I'm just gonna show you guys one side so that it's a little bit quicker for you guys, and you know, I usually do one eye at a time. I'm that person. I know that's like uncalled of. And for this, I'm going to be using a Makeup Shack brush. This is the 268 brush, and it just looks like this. And I think I've mentioned these before, but I really love these big fluffy brushes to buff out the transition shade. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So now I'm going to be going in with this middle purple shade here, and I'm going to be taking this Zoeva 228 Luxe crease brush. It just looks like this. It's a little bit smaller, but it's still like a blending brush. I'm going to be blending that into the transition shade a little bit, but not fully bringing the shade to like full opacity. We're going to just kind of blend it in together because we want the darkest shade to be kind of in the outer corner. So we are going to be still putting this into the crease, but just kind of blending it all together. So frequently I'm going to go in and take a clean blending brush, and this is the Morphe M535 brush, and I'm going to kind of, you know, blend that all together. But this is a clean brush. This has no pigment on it. and that's just to blend everything out. And I go back and forth between brushes, just kind of making sure everything is super blended and super seamless. Okay, so finally I'm gonna go into the darkest shade, which is this shade here. It's a really dark purple, and I'm gonna start putting that also into the crease, but focusing more on the outer corner of the eye, and not bringing it all the way up, like leaving it just kind of lower than all the rest of the eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. This is a very simple tutorial because basically you only need to know how to blend eyeshadows out. Even me, like, I can't really blend all that well. Yeah, but it's like super easy. It's just a bunch of purple colors. You build up the color to, you know, the purple. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take this e.l.f. concealer and this Sonia Kashuk brush that is the number 110 brush. It looks like this. This is what I'm going to cut my crease with. I always cut my crease with this. And I'm just going to do a half cut crease. You kind of want to keep the concealer very packed on when you have like really vibrant colors like the purple, which were underneath it, because we don't want the two colors to mix and make a different color. So you want to make sure that you just pack on the concealer. To pack it on, I would just say like press it on. Don't really like, don't like blend it out too much, except for the outer corner here, which you kind of want to smudge out so that you can go back and, you know, blend it all together. So now we're gonna go ahead and I'm going to pack some green on the crease. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take this little brush here. It's like a round brush, and this is just by Wet n Wild. The thing's fading off, but I'm gonna go ahead and just tap into this lime green here. It has some shimmer into it. Now if you really wanted to, you could add some green glitter, which would look really cute. I personally don't feel like doing that today because glitter's such a pain to take off, but if you're doing this for like a Halloween look or a Halloween party or something like that, I would definitely maybe suggest adding some glitter to really bring up the intensity. So I'm just going to be taking this shimmer glitter green shade here, and it's a really lime green shade, so I'm going to go ahead and pack that onto the lid. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back into the darkest purple shade, and I'm going to start blending the outer corner into the crease a little bit. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Take the same brush I was using for the dark shade purple. Oh yeah, and I was using the Coastal Scents BRC 608 brush. So I'm going to go ahead and add a wing. You don't have to add a wing. I just, I don't know, I just feel like it's going to tie it in together a little bit more. I'm just going to be taking this Rimmel little gel liner thingy. It doesn't work the best, but this is all that I really have. And I'm going to take this little angled brush by Coastal Scents. It's the BRC S17 brush. I'm baking my nose contour right now, but next we're gonna go ahead and put on lashes. So there are two different types of lashes I like to use for this look. This first one is these smaller ones, but they're kind of spread out. They're by the Lash label and they're in the style Storm. And then I have these Dodo lashes. These are in the style D501, and these are like really long wispy lashes. These are the lashes I use like all the time. Like every time you guys see me, I'm probably wearing those lashes. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use these Dodo lashes today, just because I have already done this look with these. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend out some eyeshadow on the bottom because I just want to create that Beetlejuice like look, just the disheveled look. So I kind of want to make the bottom a little bit messy and sort of like the bags that he has under his eyes. Okay, so I'm going to pop some eyeliner into the waterline. This is just the Wet n Wild Mega Last liner. Now for this look, I'm just going to go ahead and do my everyday lipstick that I do like all the time. And that is, I use this Milani lip liner. This is the Color Statement lip liner in 04 All Natural, and then I use this Milani liquid lip in 10 Adorable. So you could do that. You could also just do a black lip. Now again, this is depending on what you're wearing this look for. If you want to do this look as a like day look, then I would suggest maybe doing a pink. And then like for costume, you could do black, but today I'm going for the more glam looks. Like I said, I am going for the more glam look, so I'm gonna be doing just this nude lip. Then you can also add like a little, like Beetlejuice has like moss on him, and you could add like little green spots. You could just take an eyeshadow brush and use some of the green that you use on your lid and just add some around wherever you know you want to add it. And then you could also add a glitter on top of it for a really cute glam Beetlejuice look for Halloween, and that would be really cute. But yeah, I'm not gonna do that today because I plan on taking some pictures in this look, and I have to go out in public, and I just am not that brave enough to do that. So next I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the outfit that I have planned out, and you guys will see this little short lookbook, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Also, by the way, I have my Tim Burton film little shirt on. I know you guys couldn't see it, but this shirt is from Almighty. I don't know if they still sell it. I think they probably still sell it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys try out this look for Halloween or just for any everyday look. Please tag me in pictures. I love to see people do a take on this look that I did, since it's kind of like my own original look. If you guys want to see more videos in this style, I know that Halloween's already almost over and October's already almost over, but I love dressing up like whenever. So like if you guys want to see any other specific characters like from scary movies or anything like that, let me know and I will try to do some of those looks, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
The only way he can be brought back is by calling his name 3 times.
Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice.
It's showtime.